大家好，我是阿勇。
大家好，我米芳华啦。
欢迎收看英台EXPRESS
Your one-stop shop for Taiwanese and English language exchange.
特辑我会经一条英语新闻予A-Hôa翻译。
And I'll pick a Taiwanese news article for Ayong to translate into English.
这礼拜有几条咧
4条哦。
哦，过来4条哦，好来。
来。台中一个民众被扣落的菜罐扣到500块。
A台中 resident won $500 on a scratch-off lotto ticket. Nice.
摕去要换现金，菜馆行说讲这无得奖，甲等回收。
But when she went to claim it, the lotto shop said, "Not a winner," and threw it away.
好咧，加载又翕相来存证。
Luckily, she had taken a photo as proof.
第2条，南投一个富人人甲有小包搭伫骹底咧困，佮穿袜仔包咧。
Not a good idea. A woman with cold feet in Lâm-ke put a hand warmer in her socks before going to sleep.
困起来，才知影骹底烫甲碰拍。
Waking up to find the soles of her feet covered in heat blisters. Yep.
第3条，过年前高丽菜是农民大家烧钱咧种。
In the run-up to New Year's, farmers grow extra cabbage to cash in on high prices.
打饭盘，一粒菜换无一粒地味卵。
For the surplus, the price has now collapsed, and a whole head won't even get you one measly tea egg.
第4条，湛文水库水剩无15%，大甲车驶会落。
The sin-bûn Reservoir in Eng-gí is down to 15%. It's dry enough to drive around on the reservoir bed.
有民众去库底散步，发觉涂骹一空一空，唔知啥原因来造成。
A local resident went for a walk around and found that the ground was full of holes.
安尼就号做啥？你知无？
唔知。
安尼就号做库底破一空。
Yeah, so the reservoir's full of holes or your pants are full of holes. Either way. 好来，这礼拜英语新闻吼，介趣味的啦。In October 1967, meteorologist Paul Grisham shipped out to work in Antarctica.
1967年10月，气象学家保罗·韦sam坐船去南极做实。
13 months later, he returned to California, but his wallet never left.
13月日后，伊坐船返去美国加州，毋过伊的钱袋煞缀无着。
On Saturday, the now 91-year-old Grisham was reunited with his long-lost billfold.
顶礼拜六，真正甲91岁的韦sam伯甲伊迄个久无看的票包再相逢咯。
It was found behind a locker in McMurdo Station, the southernmost town on Earth.
讲是伫咱规粒地球上瓦南的砖头，或者密姆岛基地一个铁柱后壁找到的。
Inside the recovered wallet was Grisham's ID,
票包底有伊的身份证、
his driver's license,
伊的驾照、
a tax withholding statement,
一张扣缴凭单、
a recipe for Kahlua,
可鲁调酒的配方、
a beer ration punch card,
一张美女配给证。
and a pocket reference with instructions for what to do in the event of a nuclear attack.
还佫有一张细张随身的卡片，互你参考讲，当若是拄着核子攻击，爱安怎做较好。
But there was never any cash, as there was nothing to buy at the station.
下包内底自来就无现金，因为伫研究站遐，你有钱嘛无地开。
你讲迄个 wallet， 你讲足侪种，你讲啥物纸袋钱包皮包安怎？
嘿啊，因为
太有遐侪名啦。
即条新闻英语的原文伊嘛有用着无共字嘛，有 wallet， 佫有 billfold。
哦，对。嘿，毋过即个我甲观众朋友介绍一下吼，即个 billfold 其實是因為即個人伊較老誒，吼，即個 billfold 是古早來講嘅話，啊，即馬無人咧講 billfold 安尼。
啊，其實我拄則用誒，嘛有了啊相像誒意思啦吼。錢袋啊、錢包啊、皮包啊，即三個恁應該攏愛聽有。吼，啊有一個較古早誒詞，日本時代台日大詞典收着講下包還是下包。
哦，即就是下包。
嘿，真古早皮包啊誒一個講法。嘿啊，毋過你講到迄個甲美女有關係，迄張，迄個我實在譯袂出來。迄個 punch card 是安那？你要摕來拍棍？
無啦，你有即個卡片嘛？因為遐是傷遠誒所在，所以一定愛做配給。吼，啊，你著愛有即個卡片講，你啉比如啉偌濟啦。哦。啊，你可能一人啉10罐，好。
哦。啊，領一罐就轉一空，領一罐轉一空安尼。哦，安尼叫做 punch card。
對 ，punch card。
上南邊迄個磚頭講號做滅母刀
，McMurdo 對。
嘿啊，即個翻譯我有咧想講頭一個音節，迄個 muk 愛甲伊翻譯做目還是滅？啊，尾後我想着講，即馬全台灣開甲足濟間嘅即個麥當勞，
嘿，麥當勞，
英語所講嘅 McDonald's，伊迄三字漢字你來甲伊照念台語嘅漢文音，你就會念出麥當勞。吼，大家聽起來絕對是真袂慣勢。啊，毋過你敢知影即三字其實毋是華語？
哦，啊無是，
伊是廣東話。
哦，廣東話哦，毋是日語哦。
毋是。
哦，啊廣東話安怎講？
廣東話即三字念起來叫做麥當勞。
哦，麥當勞，安尼都改成英語嘅麥當勞。
對，大家聽落就隨明啊啦，就是即三字絕對毋是華語啊。廣東話才是正確嘅發音，麥當勞。
哦，麥當勞。你敢知影即個麥伊原底嘅意思是啥物意思？
袂啊。
無啦，即個麥也是即個台語講麥嘛。其實這是 son of 嘅意思。哦。所以西方古早嘅即個文化就是，你後生嘅名。愛叫伊家己誒名，啊，佮加一個伊爸爸誒名。
哦，親像我阿華，阮爸號做伯福。
嘿，所以你會號做英華麥伯福安尼。
哦，嘿，其實即馬台灣也有一寡原住民咧號名誒規矩了啊，親像是安尼。啊，
即個麥其實是愛爾蘭誒話吼，愛爾蘭誒。
Ireland。
嘿 ，Ireland。啊，若是英國人吼，因是講 son，你檢查應該冇聽過吼，即個。Johnson 對無？
哦，真出名嘅大公司 Johnson and Johnson。
對，啊是 Paulson 嘛是。
啥物人嘅後生就是啥物son。
嘿，拄好即條新聞嘛有 Paul 即個名吼，你甲譯做啥？
保羅。
哦，保羅啊，這是
聽起來甲 Paul 無像嘛，毋過因為 Paul 譯做保羅即兩字漢字，佇聖經已經出現真濟擺啊，有伊嘅歷史，有伊嘅背景，我就無去甲叮當，無閣另外殺一個台語音出來安尼。
保羅好。
If you enjoyed watching this episode of English Express，
愛會記得起讚，啊個訂閱，啊個分享哦。And if you have any suggestions for news that you'd like to see us translate，
唔免細字，做你的下骹留話甲阮講。
再會
，See you next time。